Hi, this is Visi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change call ringtone on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. There isn't a social media platform that offers an experience quite like Instagram. Photos and videos are Instagram currently. The caption isn't as important. As a Meta-owned app, the company behind Facebook since April 2012, Instagram user interface and some of its design choices shouldn't be too unfamiliar. You can customize Instagram to suit your own preferences, including the ability to change the Instagram notification sound like for call ringtone or message. How to do it so simple. You can change the sound notification on Instagram on your setting on your phone, so you can just go to your app settings, or you can just tap and hold on the Instagram app like this. Tap on the info icon in here. You can see the Instagram app info. From here you can just tap on notifications. From here you can just choose what sound that you want to change. Maybe for the example, you want to change the Instagram direct video call. You can tap on that. Now from here you'll find there is an option sound. You can just tap on that. So here you can just choose what song that you want to use for your sound notification on your Instagram. Maybe for the example, I will choose ringtone from here. This one for the example, maybe. You can just tap apply and tap on OK. So simple, right? So that is how to change sound notification on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.